Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a little trick to get extra life out of your outside unit. Help let it run a little more efficient in the summer. You get this buildup on the coils here over time, and that blocks airflow. And without airflow, your compressor can overheat and can start causing issues, won't cool the proper way. So if you just get your hose with a nozzle adjuster that you can get a pretty good stream out. You're just going to start at the top. And you're just going to clean that off. Okay, we completed this side. There's still a little bit on there, but see how much better it is. Now there's no restriction to the airflow. And a little trick I found out is if you get close and put your nozzle at a pretty good angle, start from the top down, a lot quicker. Make sure you clean out that pan. That's what those little punch outs are for down there, so you can wash this out, not hold water. Alright guys, we are back. As you can see, you can actually see kind of through those coils now. You see the light coming through, which means it's clear. That's a good sign. But carrier units are really good. We had this one replaced, I don't know, probably about 4 or 5 years ago, I would say. It's been running great. Haven't had any issues. Iceman Mechanical provided this and did the install. Great company to have for home AC heat problems. Alright, well that's a little trick. Hope y'all can get yours. Have a cool summer.